From the CISO series, it's Cybersecurity Headlines.
These are the cybersecurity headlines for Friday, November 14th, 2025. I'm Steve Prentice. 2 key cyber laws are back as President signs bill to end shutdown. On Wednesday, the President signed a government funding bill that ended the record 43-day government shutdown and which temporarily revives 2 major cybersecurity laws that lapsed at the end of September, being the 2015 Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Act and the State and Local Cybersecurity Grant Program, through January 30th. Congress must now find a more permanent fix before another funding deadline. Microsoft's screen capture prevention for Teams users is finally rolling out. Microsoft has a new Teams feature for premium customers that will automatically block screenshots and recordings during meetings. This had first been announced in May 2025. Named Prevent Screen Capture, it restricts access to visual meeting content. On Windows desktop devices, screenshots will show a black rectangle around the meeting window. On platforms that don't support it, meeting attendees will join in audio-only mode. This feature is disabled by default and must be manually enabled by organizers for each meeting via Meeting Options. FBI calls Akira top 5 ransomware variant out of 130 targeting U.S. businesses. Akira, a major ransomware group active since March 2023, uses double extortion attacks that steal and encrypt data to pressure victims. U.S. cyber authorities say the group has earned more than $244 million and mainly targets small and medium-sized businesses across manufacturing, education, IT, healthcare, finance, and agriculture. Akira is linked to several other threat groups and may have ties to the former Conti gang. The FBI ranks Akira amongst its top 5 most consequential ransomware variants and notes that ransomware overall remains its leading cybercrime threat, with more than 130 active variants attacking U.S. organizations. Fortinet FortiWeb flaw with public POC exploited to create admin users. The Fortinet FortiWeb path traversal vulnerability is being actively exploited to create new administrative users on exposed devices without requiring authentication. The issue is fixed in FortiWeb 8.0.2, and admins are urged to update as soon as possible and to check for signs of unauthorized access. The threat intelligence company Diffused spotted the exploitation on October the 6th, and since then attacks have increased globally. Threat actors are sending HTTP post requests to a specific endpoint on this path containing payloads that create local admin-level accounts on the targeted device. Huge thanks to our sponsor, Vanta. What's your 2 a.m. security worry? Is it, do I have the right controls in place? Or, are my vendors secure? Or the really scary one, how do I get out from under these old tools and manual processes? Enter Vanta. Vanta automates manual work so you can stop sweating over spreadsheets, chasing audit evidence, and filling out endless questionnaires. Their trust management platform continuously monitors your systems, centralizes your data, and simplifies your security at scale. Vanta also fits right into your workflows, using AI to streamline evidence collection, flag risks, and keep your program audit-ready all the time. With Vanta, you get everything you need to move faster, scale confidently, and get back to sleep. Get started at vanta.com/headlines. That is VANTA.com/headlines. Checkout.com refuses to pay Shiny Hunter's ransom, donates the cash to research instead. The payment services provider Checkout.com, having recently been attacked by the Shiny Hunters ransomware group, has stated publicly that not only has it refused to pay the ransom, it has instead donated the demanded amount to Carnegie Mellon University and the University of Oxford Cybersecurity Center to fund cybercrime research. In addition, the company's chief technology officer, Mariano Albera, says that his company, quote, takes full responsibility for the security incident and apologized for the circumstances that allowed the breach to happen, end quote. The company's investigation showed that the criminals had broken into a, quote, legacy third-party cloud file storage system, end quote, that wasn't properly decommissioned and was used in 2020 and prior years. Akira ransomware Linux encryptor targeting Nutanix VMs. In further Akira news, a joint advisory from CISA, the FBI, the Department of Defense Cybercrime Center, and the Department of Health and Human Services is warning that the Akira ransomware operation has been spotted encrypting Nutanix AHV virtual machines in attacks. These attacks started in June and continue up to the present. This means the group has expanded beyond VMware ESXi and Hyper-V by leveraging a CVE-numbered vulnerability. Nutanix's AHV platform is a Linux-based virtualization solution that runs and manages virtual machines on Nutanix's infrastructure. Operation Endgame. Police reveal takedowns of 3 key cybercrime tools. Authorities from numerous European countries, along with Canada, the US, and the UK, have announced that the takedown affects the Rhadamanthus infostealer, the Venom Rat remote access Trojan, and the Elysium botnet. This third phase of Operation Endgame, which started in 2024, focused on these tools, which the authorities say have been responsible for infecting hundreds of thousands of victims worldwide with malware. This action also coincides with the recent arrest in Greece of the main suspect behind the Venom Rat. Washington Post confirms data stolen from its Oracle environment. This act of data theft and extortion was performed on the media company's Oracle e-business suite, compromising human resources data on nearly 10,000 current and former employees and contractors. The Post said it confirmed that the September 29th attack resulted in the theft of personal information on 9,720 people, including names, bank account numbers and routing numbers, and social security numbers. The Klopp gang is believed to be behind this attack. Have you set a calendar reminder to join us for the Department of No on Monday at 4 p.m.? If not, stop this podcast and do it right now. If you haven't caught it yet, the Department of No is your weekly stand-up to help you kick off your week in cybersecurity, and we want you to join us live. Get in on the chat, ask questions of our guests, and have some fun with the rest of our audience. It all happens over on the CISO Series YouTube channel every Monday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Just subscribe to the channel and join us this Monday to join in on the fun. And if you have some thoughts on the news from today or about this show in general, please be sure to reach out to us at feedback@cisoseries.com. We would love to hear from you. I'm Steve Prentice, reporting for the CISO Series.
Cybersecurity headlines are available every weekday. Head to cisoseries.com for the full stories behind the headlines.